Good morning, students. Today I am starting chapter 16, playing with numbers. So the first question is, find the value of the letters in the following and give reason for the steps involved. So we have to find the value of A and B. So here are given addition and the result of this addition is B and 2. Okay, so let's see the solution. So in this solution, which value we can put the place of A? Okay, so we get a 2. So firstly we have to put a 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. After that 1. So 5 and 1 6. This is not our answer. 2. 5 into 7. After that 5 and 3 8 and so on. And when we put the 5 plus 7. Okay, so when we put here 7. So 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3, 7, 2, 5. So 7 and 5, 12. So we have to put here possible value. And after that carry. So 3 over 1, 4 and 2, 6. So the value of B is 6. So the possible value of this solution is A equals 7 and B equal 6. When we put a value like that. And we can write the solution. And we can write this solution. The value of A equals 7 and B equal 6. In the next question, we have to find the value of A, B and C. And result we get result C, B, 3. Okay, so in the place of A, which value we can put? So one's place is 3. So when we put a 1, so 8 and 1, 9. And 2 is 10, 3, 11, 4, 12 and 5. So when we write the place of A is 5. So 8 and 5, 13. After that carry 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 9, 14. Okay, so we write here 4 and carry 1. So carry 1 is here. So the value of C is 1 and the B is 4 and 3 is 5. So the possible value of A, B, C is A equal 5 and the answer B equal 4 and C equal 1. So we have to firstly putting this value and after that write this answer. Next question is, find the value of the letters in the following and give reason for steps involved. Here are given multiply and in this multiply which number we can use in multiply A into A and answer is also get A. This multiply same procedure on putting 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7 and so on. So we get A into A, 6 into 6, 36. In which place 6? So A equals 6 and answer is 6. So firstly we have to try it. When we put 1 and here 1 into 1. Okay, so 1 and 1. So this is not our answer because we have to need 9 of here. After that we can take the value of A equal 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. 24 is not our answer. And so on when we put 5. Okay. So 5 5s are 25. Carry 2. 5 1s are 5 6 7. This is not our answer because we need a 9 here. When we put here 6, okay, so 6 6 are 36, carry 3, 6 1s are 6 and 3, 9. So this is our correct answer because 9 is already given in the result of product. Next is question number 4. Same, we have to find the value of A and B and also A here. Okay, so in this solution we have to find the value of A, B, okay, and also here A because result are given here. So we observe that B equal 5, so 7. So that 7 plus 5 is 12. We have to put a value of B equal 5. So this 7 and 5 is 12. After that carry 1. So here are 2. So here also 2. 2 and 1, 3 and 3, 6. Okay. So the answer is we have observe that B equals 5, so 7 plus 5 is 12 and putting 2 at one's place, so carry our 1 and 2 and we get 6. Okay, so this is the steps of how to solve this addition. And so we can write like that. Here are 2 and 5, 3, 7, and here are the value of 2, so also 2. Okay, so answer is this. Next question is the multiply, and we have to find the value of A, B, C also. So which value we can put here? Ke multiply of 3 is also answer this same value. So when we put here 0, so 3 and 0 is 0. Okay, so we can see here I am putting B equal 0. So we get 0 into 3. So we have to put here 0. So here also 0. After that A equal 5. Then 5 into 3 15. When we write here 5. So 5 3s are 15. So A value here and here are same. And the carry 1. So C value is 1. So the answer is A equal 5, B equal 0 and C equal 1. In the question number 6, find the value of letters of the following and give reason for the steps involved. In this question, A, B into 5. So when we multiply the value of 5, the result get is also, when we multiply B into 5, the result get also B. Possible value is 0 when we multiply 0 into 5, so answer is 0. And next step 5, when we put 5 into 5, so 5 has a 25 and carry 2. Okay, so on putting 0 we get 0, and when we put A equal 5, so 5 has a 25, so B value is same and carry 2. So the answer is when we put 0 here and 5, so 0 into 5 same 0, and when we put here 5, so 5 5 is 25, carry 2. Okay, so the answer is this. The value of B is 0, A equal 5 and C equal 2. Okay, question number 7. Find the value of letters in the following. Same questions, we have to find the value of B, and we have to put same value of here and answer also same. So which squares are same in the unit place? Which number we can put here? 6 into 6 is same answer. So firstly we write, when we write a 1, 6 ones are 6. Okay, so these are wrong because हमको यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे same चाहिए. Okay, so when we write here 6, so 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So here product of B and 6 must be same once digit B. Okay, so हम 6 पुट करेंगे तो 6 6 36 कैरी 3 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ पे जब आंसर यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू हमको सेम चाहिए, यहाँ पे A की वैल्यू ऐसी चाहिए कि B अगेन आए, तो वो नहीं हो पाएगा. Therefore we have to take 6 1s are 6, 2s are 12, 3s are 13 and 6s are 24. On putting B equal 4, okay, B equal 4, so we get 6 4s are 24 and carry 2, and after that we have to multiply in the 2, 6 2s are 12 and 2 14, so the answer is 144. So यहाँ पे हमने पुट किया, on putting B equal 4 we get ones digit 4 and remaining 2 B value should be 4 4. So 6 into 7 42 plus 4 44. So A value is 7 and B value is 4. Okay. So देखिए हमने अगर यहाँ पे 4 पुट किया तो यहाँ पे 6 4 से 24 अगर हो रहा है तो ये भी 44 होगा. अभी इस A की जगह हम क्या लिखें कि यहाँ पे 44 हो जाए, तो when we write 6 7s are 42 और 24 का कैरी 2 तो 44 होगा. दैट्स वाई वी राइट हियर A इक्वल 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, सेम एडिशंस एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ B एंड A. सो ऑन पुटिंग B इक्वल 9, B की जगह अगर हम 9 लिखते हैं तो 9 1 10 यहाँ 0 हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड कैरी 1, एंड Putting 0 at one's place carry we get for a equals 7. So 7 and 1 8 and carry 1 is 9. So a equals 7 and b equal 9. इन क्वेश्चंस में हमको ये ध्यान रखना है कि जैसे a 1 एंड b के प्लेस पे अगर मैंने यहाँ 9 पुट किया है, सो 9 एंड 1 10, और अल्सो यहाँ b की वैल्यू 9 है, सेम 9 यहाँ पे भी हमको लिखना है. अब इसका कैरी 1 तो ऑलरेडी था, ठीक है. सो और ऑलरेडी यहाँ 1 गिवन है, तो 1 एंड 1 2. अब क्या रिमेनिंग है, 2 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि 9 आए, सो 7. दैट्स वाई वी हैव टू पुट हियर 7. सेम क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. हमको यहाँ पे a b वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ अननोन वैल्यू ऑफ a एंड b. सो विच वैल्यू वी कैन पुट हियर, सो आंसर वी गेट 8. सो when we put here 7, so 7 and 1 8. So we also put here 7 and also put here 7. ओके. आफ्टर दैट यहाँ पे 8 आ चुका है. अभी 7 में मैं क्या ऐड करूँ कि 11 हो जाए. सो व्हेन वी पुट हियर 4, 7 एंड 4 11. सो अगर यहाँ 4 पुट किया तो यहाँ पे भी करना पड़ेगा. 4 और 2 6 और कैरी 1. सो हमको आंसर्स गिवन हो गए, a इक्वल 4 एंड b इक्वल 7. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. सेम एज इट इज व्हेन वी 8, सो आंसर गेट दिस. सो विच वैल्यू वी कैन एड a एंड b. सम इज 9. Okay, so we have to putting a equal 8 and b equal 1. a equal 8 and b equal 1. So we also put here a equal 8 or equal here also 8, because we know. So 8 or 1 9, 8 or 2 10 0, carry 1 6 1 7 or 1 8. So the answer is a equal 8 and b equal 1. हम इसको एक्सचेंज नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज अगर मैं सोचती कि मैं यहाँ पे 1 लिख दूँ तो यहाँ पे भी 1 लिखना पड़ता है, एंड हियर ऑल्सो, और हमारा जो आंसर से रिजल्ट गिवन है वो नहीं आता. द आंसर इज a इक्वल 8 एंड b इक्वल 1. एक्सरसाइज 6.1 इज कंप्लीटेड. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.